In this video, I'm going to explain how to transfer money from CoinStats to Cash App. So it's actually quite simple, just follow along. So the first thing you must know over here is that CoinStats itself does not support direct withdrawals to Cash App or any other external wallets. However, you can transfer your funds indirectly by following the steps I'm going to show you in this video over here. So the first step you want to take is to sell your crypto on another exchange, okay? So since CoinStats is primarily a portfolio tracker and not a crypto exchange, you must first sell your cryptocurrency, whichever that may be, on your supported exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. So just pick one. Of course, others are good as well. Just select one you are currently using. Then what you want to do is open your CoinStats app and identify where your crypto is stored. And then you want to log into your exchange account, so whether that's Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken, or anyone else, so it doesn't really matter, as I said. And then you have to sell your crypto to USD, or your local currency, whatever that is. And then you have to withdraw the funds to your linked bank account. And then once you do that, you then get the option to do step 2, which is to transfer the money to Cash App. And once your funds are in your bank account, simply go to Cash App, so open Cash App on your mobile device, tap on the Banking tab, and then select Add Cash and enter the amount you transferred from your exchange. And by tapping Add and confirming your linked debit card or bank account, you'll be able to then get your money onto the Cash App. So that's the first way. However, there's also an alternative over here, which is to withdraw crypto to Cash App with Bitcoin, okay? Because this is possible, but with Bitcoin only. So if you own any Bitcoin, you can send it directly to your Cash App Bitcoin wallet. And to do this, you want to open up your Cash App and tap on the Bitcoin tab, and then you want to select Deposit Bitcoin and copy your Cash App Bitcoin address. And from there, you want to go to the exchange, so it can be Binance, Coinbase, etc., where your Bitcoin is stored. And then from there, you can withdraw your Bitcoin and paste the Cash App Bitcoin address. Then you will have to confirm the transaction and wait for it to process, which may take up to 30 minutes, sometimes less, sometimes more, depending on how many things are processing right now. And then once your Bitcoin arrives in Cash App, you can sell it for USD and then withdraw to your bank account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.